This is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And we're going to talk a little bit about your gas lines. Some people would like to know, do we have to replace them every once in a while? The signs you want to look for, number one, is we all know what gas smells like. It's got that rotten egg additive ingredient, so you can smell it. Gas itself has no smell, no odor. They put this in as a safety precaution. That way you know if you have a gas leak. If you have a gas leak, you smell gas, it's a sign that there's definitely a problem. And what we do is we come out and we pump up the system with air and see if it holds pressure. Then we locate where the leak is and we fix it. That's fine, but lots of times the leak is in a wall or if it's under the slab of your house. Those are signs that your house is probably going to have to be replumbed. Or if you called the gas company, they came out and they smelled gas, they turned off your gas and they took your meter away. Usually that means your house is going to have to be replumbed. We can come out to your house, assess what needs to be done, and give you a price to do it so you can get your gas meter back and have a safe house to live in. Again, this is Kyle with Rocketman Plumbing. Have a great day. Thank you.